Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. So I'm back. I said I had another haul for molds, and this one actually is from joannefabrics.com. They had free shipping. I think right now, by the time you see this video, I don't think it's free shipping anymore. I want to say I think it's $1.99 shipping, which is still pretty good. But anyway, I was enabled by a few people. I did see Tony haul some molds, but I think they're from, could have been from Michael's, but she was also using candy molds or, yeah, I think candy molds from Michael's. And I didn't even know that you can actually use that for resin. So we'll see. I'm going to try one out and see. But anyway, they were on sale. And these silicone molds are the cutest things ever. And they're all Halloween, guys. So for those of you who don't celebrate Halloween, sorry. But okay, so I'm going to show you this one. So these came out to about $2 and something cents. I don't have an invoice with me, but I'll leave the link if they're still around. These were originally $4.99, so it could have been 40 or 50% off. I'm not exactly sure, but it's one of those. This is a pretty good size right here. So here's my thumb, and so this is how it's gonna look. So they're so cute. They're jack-o'-lantern. But I'm not sure. I'm going to try one. If I don't like it for resin, it looks like it's pretty good though. It's pretty good quality, so hopefully it is. And it looks like it's shiny too. So yay, I'm hoping that they will come out shiny, but we'll see. So there's that one. Oh my gosh, look you guys, I had to get this one. Tombstones. Oh my gosh. So I absolutely love them, and I love the size. Look. It's about the size of the length of my finger, my thumb. So really cool. I'm so excited to use this one. I got several molds, you guys, but they're not all going to be for that. I also like making chocolate, you know, melting the chocolate and putting them in there. So, and my daughter doesn't care for this one. These are the potion bottles, but you guys know I love anything like witchy themed. And they're, again, a good size. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. So I'm probably going to use this one in the tombstone, I'm thinking. And then the rest might be for candy, because my daughter's like, don't use all of them for resin, Mom. The witch, oh my God, look at the witch hat. So I love it because it has the witch hat. It has this moon that is really cute. And also the cauldron. Oh my gosh, you guys. And again, look at the size. As you can see, these are all Wilton. So they are, I believe, designed for you to make, you know, little chocolate treats, which I do, but I'm going to use like really good chocolate like Ghirardelli. Or my daughter loves Hershey's, so I might just be melting some Hershey's, but we'll see. This is another one, as you can see. Oh, these are tombstones too, so I can probably, and I love the ghosties, you guys. And I don't like white chocolate. Well, I do if there's nuts in it. I love white chocolate and macadamia nuts together. Toll House makes like really good cookies. I've been baking them all summer long because my husband loves that one, that particular mix, or it's in the frozen aisle. But anyway, oh, okay, so we'll see about this one. I don't know. My daughter wants me to keep them chocolate molds, so we'll see. Then there's this one. These are spiders. So for sure, my daughter doesn't like spiders, so I'll be using this mold for resin for sure. Although I have lots of bat resin molds already, but she's not gonna want the spiders, trust me. She doesn't like spiders. So I got a total of 2, 4, 6 molds. I think there's one more that might not have come with this, because for some reason I want to say I did 7 molds, but anyway, They were 2 something each. Could not pass it up, you guys. I was trying not to buy, but oh my gosh. Like everything I got, I think I only spent about 40, you know, 40 some dollars, and it's like free shipping. Okay, and then I was enabled by my BFF Erica because she showed these. I almost got the 12 by 12s, you guys, but my husband will kill me if I did. So I'm going to show you these real quick. Now, I didn't realize I got 2 of these pumpkin ones, pets and pumpkins. I got 1 Booyah and pets and pumpkins. So we'll see about that one. It's because I was going to get honestly, I really thought I only got 1, but whatever. I have 2 for some reason, so I might have accidentally pressed it twice. It was probably in my cart. Okay, so let's just go over the Booyah. This is the one I really wanted because you guys know I have my little teddy, and I've tried to put him in costumes in the past. Last year I think he was a hot dog. I tried to put like a Doubles costume on him, but he just hates it. I can't get it to stay. I try every year, but it just doesn't really work. Again, these are double-sided, so I had to see if I can do this so you guys can see. Okay, there you go. So and this is holographic, so that's even better. These sprinkles, thinking in my mind that they weren't candy sprinkles, but I didn't read that it said food crafting. So I am starting to do cupcakes again because I've been baking like cookies mostly, but and just a regular store-bought kind of cookie dough. I don't really do cookies, although my BFF has given me her recipe, but I saw Tara use actual sprinkles in the resin. Oh my gosh. Okay, if you guys don't know, I'm gonna leave her link if I remember. Oh my gosh, NurseTara04, you guys know her. She did resin jewelry like 7 years ago, and I was like, what, Tara, how come I never saw this video? But anyway, she used sprinkles. She used M&Ms and, you know, sprinkles. Oh my gosh. And I thought, well, I suppose it's okay to use that on resin because, you know, it gets all trapped in there. You know, I don't know. I was thinking, oh, I don't know, the ants, you know, might smell it. I don't want to get ants. But anyway, she did, and she made jewelry out of them. So I suppose it can work. So anyway, I got this, and I absolutely love the bottle anyway. So these have little ghosts. It looks like it has some, can you guys see? They have a jack-o'-lantern. There's black little dots in there. And then your regular sprinkles. Ghosts, did I say that already? It's really cute. Anyway, and it's huge. This thing is huge. And it wasn't that expensive. I don't think so. I don't know, maybe like $4.99 or something. Let's look how cute. Hildie and Jo, they're on sale also. I don't know if they're still on sale right now, but if you guys haven't gotten any charms, and I have a lot of charms from last year, I stocked up on charms. So I kind of didn't want to get charms until I finished that off, but I had to get this one right here because I think this would look really cute with the pets and pumpkin, don't you think? Because there's that skeleton dog. My son saw it and he's like, oh, Mom, what are you trying to say? He was all offended because it's like a dog, skeleton dog. Anyway, but I had to have it. I had to have that one. I finally got this one, and I know this is, I think it's been around since last year or so, but I decided to go ahead and get it. And I'm thinking, I just really wanted it for the skulls, the pumpkins. I've been seeing you guys paint your pumpkins, so I think that's what I'm going to do with this one. I may just make it pastel. So there's that. And I'm pretty sure that was on sale too. And then lastly, I got these essential art bin. These are the 6x6 storage boxes, and I'm thinking, I hope they're stackable. Let me see. I got 3 of them. Yeah, they're pretty stackable. You can put 3 on top. I just needed more storage for embellishments, and I thought, you know what, this was like a pretty good price. I can't remember what it was, but it's really sturdy, and I like the, you know, the hinge opening, and it snaps, and it's easy to open, but it's easy to lock too. So I do like it. It's by Essentials by Art Bin. So I did get this one, and yeah. So that is it for my haul. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will talk